Hi guys, Pink Kitty here, and today we're gonna make slime. Yee! Things we will need. First, these are the 3 glues. And also, you need Ariel. And a Play-Doh container, glitter, and nail polish. First step, put the glue inside a container. Step 2, we're gonna put Ariel. After when you put glue and Ariel, you have to mix it together. If it's still sticky, you need to put more Ariel. You should just always agitate. It's almost becoming slime. I hope you like it. It's already done. See? Okay, now I'm gonna put the other glitters that I have and also the colors. Okay, now I am done with the glitter. Now I'm gonna put the nail polish, and that's the color. Done. I hope you enjoy it. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye!